Ninyo, Attorney Guadis, how about kung ipa-shoulder natin lahat doon sa company?
Yes, Mr. Chair, we're now drafting a memorandum circular which will be implemented this February, wherein all of the discounts will now be shouldered by the operator and by the owner of the app. In this case, for example, sir, kung si Grab, si TNC Grab, and yung may-ari ng sasakyan po. But definitely, the driver should not be uh, included in the equation, sir. Dapat walang sino-shoulder yung driver, sir.
Correct. Kasi yun ang nakikita natin problema the last time, and I've been talking to several commuters, mga estudyante. Nalalaman pala nila yan na discounted pag halimbawa sinabi kung saan pupunta, halimbawa sinabi ko ng school, estudyante ka. So may hirapan ka makakuha ng booking. And isang dahilan dyan ay sapagkat yung pala nag-share uh, sa discount, pag-shoulder sa discount ang mga rider. Pero kung ikarga natin lahat yan sa owner ng app, then siguro maging mabilis yung pagtugon ng mga riders natin.